Looking for a healthy breakfast that's quick, delicious, and requires absolutely no cooking? Today, I'm going to show you how to make easy overnight oats in just a few minutes of prep time. To start, you'll need half a cup of rolled oats and half a cup of your favorite milk. We'll also use a quarter cup of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and a boost of protein. Add in a tablespoon of chia seeds, which are fantastic for fiber and a better texture. For sweetness, include a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, plus half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's begin by adding those rolled oats directly into a mason jar or a small bowl. Next, pour in the milk followed by that smooth Greek yogurt on top. Now, toss in the chia seeds, the vanilla extract, and your choice of natural sweetener. Give everything a really thorough stir until all the ingredients are perfectly incorporated. Once it's well mixed, simply secure the lid on your jar or cover your bowl tightly. Place it in the refrigerator overnight, or for at least 6 hours to let the oats soften. The next morning, you'll see the oats have soaked up all that liquid. Give it a gentle stir. Now it's time for the best part, topping it with fresh berries and some sliced bananas. I also love adding chopped almonds or walnuts for a bit of extra satisfying crunch. Feel free to drizzle a little more honey on top if you prefer your breakfast on the sweeter side. And there you have it, a healthy, nutrient-packed breakfast ready to grab and go. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our new healthy recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more simple meal ideas.